This is Series 1, Episode 33. I'm going to be talking about the market direction in this episode. I have already talked about this in Episode 27, and I said that I believe the Nasdaq could drop down to 12,400, and I will explain why in a moment. So this, what you're seeing here, guys, is the Nasdaq monthly chart. As you can see, very bullish at the moment. However, I'm going to just be open and honest. This bar is a worrying sign for me. That is a classic reversal signal. If we start seeing price taking out the low of this bar, so down here, that is a concern for me. So I'm just pointing it out, but I will go into more analysis around this now. But that bar, what that means is it opened at the beginning of the month, went all the way up, and then came all the way back down again by the end of the month, indicating significant selling pressure on the Nasdaq. So if the Nasdaq drops, technology stocks drop. If you're invested in technology stocks, which most people are, you're going to feel significant pain because of that. Let me show you the weekly chart. Why did I say 12,400? Because price came up to this line here, this point, and I put this line in myself, came down, came up to test it again, came down a little bit, and then came up and eventually broke through that area. So I'm hoping, guys, that line around 12,400 to 12,500 will act as support. I really hope it does. Otherwise, I'm also going to feel some pain, and I'm going to have to close out a number of positions that are technology stocks. However, it's not all bad. I'll explain why. If I go to the Dow Jones monthly chart, we don't see the same sell-off on the Dow Jones. We go to the S&P, a little bit more selling, but again, nowhere near as bad as the Nasdaq. Okay, so it's not like a major market meltdown across the board. It just appears to be technology stocks. So I'm going to go back to the Nasdaq. Now I'll go down to the daily. Look what the price is doing, guys. It's trying to take out this previous low. That low there corresponds to back here, and you can see that was a major area of support. So that's what the professionals are doing. I think they're going to try and pull it all the way down to here, which again is around 12,400 to 12,500 on the Nasdaq. We really need that area to hold, because if there's continuous selling from that point, then a lot of sell orders will start kicking in, and then you can see a very fast drop. So what I'd say, guys, is hold back on buying technology stocks for the time being, just until we see what happens, because it's significant selling pressure on the Nasdaq. Now I can also see, because I've been scanning the market across hundreds of stocks, lots of money is flowing into manufacturing, building and finance, and out of technology. Now again, in episode 27 I said I could see rotation, and when I mean rotation, I mean rotation out of technology and into different stocks, safer stocks. I did a video yesterday on a company that develops pressure sensors for airlines and vehicles, because it was a safer stock, and that's doing okay today. I also talked about Starbucks and American Airlines and Carnival, all different safer plays which weren't technology related, because of this potential move down. So I've personally sold quite a lot of my stocks in technology. I did that a few days ago when I saw the Dow starting to collapse. But I've started to buy some more recently. So I will feel this pain just like you guys. I just want to point out what I'm seeing. And there's that level, as I said in episode 27. We're not there yet. Hopefully we don't get there, because otherwise it's more pain for all our technology stocks. But I want to reiterate, it's not all doom and gloom, because you can see the Dow and the S&P are holding up so far. If they all start moving down, then we could have significant problems. Just stay calm, guys, and remember your money management, and probably hold back on buying technology stocks for the time being. I'll do an update soon, and I wish you the best of luck.